Hello guys. So today I'm going to share with you my experience with Midea Dishwasher. We chanced upon this Midea Dishwasher when we were searching for better known brands, but which mostly are out of stock currently. So after checking its review, we ordered the dishwasher from Flipkart. I will mention the link in the description box. The delivery was on time, but don't rely on the installation guy and don't wait for him to install it and explain to you it's working. You have to read the manual yourself and get it installed. Because the guy that came at our place didn't know a thing about the dishwasher and he had not probably seen it ever. One important thing, we don't use our normal washing detergents in dishwashers. There are separate detergents available as dishwasher detergents. I will explain about those later in the video. So this is a 12 place settings dishwasher and it is convenient for a family of 4 if we use it once in a day. It has several different settings which you can use according to your requirement. We mostly use the eco mode. If we have less utensils, then there is an option for half load also, which uses less energy and less water. If you have heavily soiled utensils, you can use the intensive mode. All these directions are mentioned on the door itself, so you don't have to keep the manual at all times. The time it takes also varies with the program you choose. For eco program it takes around 3.5 hours. So here we have two compartments on the door. One is for the detergent. Here I am using the tablet which has all the three things, the salt, detergent and the rinse aid. So I will not be putting the rinse aid and salt in the other compartments. Otherwise, if you are using the detergent powder, you'll have to put the rinse aid also in the right side compartment. But this tablet has all three things together, so we have to put that only. This part is for the rinse aid. We don't have to add rinse aid every time. There is an indicator light on the door which turns on when the rinse aid is finished. Then only we'll have to add it. We have to load the bigger utensils on the lower rack. And keep in mind that the spray arm is not blocked with the utensils. Its path should be clear. There is a separate basket for cutlery, but you have to check you do not place long ladles inside it. They have to be placed horizontally so that they do not come in the way of the spray arm. Now here's a look inside without the utensils. Here we have the compartment for adding salt. The salt is also not added every time. The indicator light will turn on in the same way as for rinse aid. The machine will utilize it according to the water hardness in your area. You will have to do water softener settings manually. Instructions are given in the manual. These two buttons, F and half pressed together, will lock the door so that kids cannot open it by themselves. This is the filtering system which collects all the debris, the food particles, etc. We can take it out and clean it when required. These spray arms also can be removed and cleaned when required. This is the way we have got it installed. This is our living room and we just got the tap and outlet connected from the kitchen area because we did not have proper place for it in the kitchen. It's not that inconvenient as its sound is also very low. It doesn't bother us even if we are sitting there. So this is the power button and the programming we can select from here. Then we have to press this start button to start the dishwasher cycle. See, the time is given 3 hours 45 minutes it takes for this eco cycle I have selected. The three lights on the right side indicate the rinse aid and salt when they are finished. Now I'm going to show you how the utensils look after being washed in the dishwasher. I was quite surprised at first. It cleans really well and leaves a good shine. The most important thing is we should never put aluminium, iron, plastic and non-stick items in the dishwasher. Well, all in all, I am quite happy with the cleaning it does. It really saves our time and energy. We were washing dishes like 6 to 7 times a day, but still there was no end to them. So now this has really made our life easy. We cannot put our hard anodized cookware also in the dishwasher. I learnt it the hard way. My much loved tawa got ruined. It lost its shine. but for steel utensils and crockery it does a commendable job, and we just have to switch some utensils to dishwasher safe ones. I will give the link of dishwasher detergents and rinse it and salt in the description box. Please check there. I would recommend using detergent powder and rinse it and salt all separately, and not like the tablet I have used. But I will provide the link of the tablets also in the description box. If you have any more questions, please ask in the comment box. I will be happy to reply. And thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe.